In this day and age, it's no secret that social media is absolutely critical in running a real estate business. Whether you're a brand new agent or you're running a team or you're a broker owner, you absolutely should be utilizing social media to your advantage. And today I'm going to share with you 10 simple steps that you can implement in your business immediately to be able to show a return on time and investment to help increase your real estate business. Hi, my name is Mruwat. I'm with eXp Realty. I've been a licensed real estate agent for over 12 years, and I have coached and trained thousands of real estate agents all over the world. In 2020, I was actually named a social media influencer in my market. And today I want to share with you how I was able to utilize social media to be able to increase my real estate business, sales, agent attraction, but also my investments. And I'm going to share with you 10 simple steps that you can implement and you can start seeing a return right away. So let's go ahead and get started. Number one is don't be a secret agent. What do I mean by that? And looking through thousands of real estate profiles, I often find that the agents don't have it where it's easily accessible to get a hold of them, whether that's email or their phone number or even their real estate brokerage that they're affiliated with. So think about it, do a little test on yourself on all your social media platforms. Does it take more than 6 seconds for somebody to find a prospect, a buyer or seller to find your information and be able to reach out to you directly? If it takes longer than 6 seconds, then I would argue that you're a secret agent. Nobody needs to go digging through your timeline in order to find your contact information. So do the 6-second test and make sure that you're not being a secret agent. Number two, have a professional headshot. Have a front-facing professional headshot where you're easily recognizable on all platforms. So make sure you're using the same professional headshot on all your different platforms where everyone can easily recognize you, whether it's on your personal page, your business page, your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, you name it. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. I like to keep my social media private. I like to have it for personal use, and I don't want to have a professional headshot. In my opinion, that's absolutely a mistake. And here, let me tell you why. Everyone wants to see a three-dimensional agent. They want to be able to connect with you through social media. We have to utilize it to build relationships. And that's going to show all different aspects of ourselves, whether it's personal, professional, etc. So the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. And in order to do that, we're going to have to utilize our business pages and our personal page. And the third one here, number three, is create an eye-catching bio. So you can do this on many of the platforms like Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn, where the first little paragraph that people see, it needs to be eye-catching. It needs to grab their attention and really be defined on who you are. What is a value proposition that you offer your clients, why they should work with you, and go ahead and put that into your bio. And you can look at others for examples. I'm a firm believer in, rip off and duplicate, but think about what is specific to you and what value to you that do you add. Number four, tag your location. So every time you take a photo, you do a post, make sure that you're creating those geotags and you're tagging your location, because that's where other people are going to be looking at those locations. You can actually gain more followers and more friends. Number five, consistently post, because a lot of us, what we do is we ride that roller coaster, right? We start prospecting, we do social media, we get excited, and then we get busy with our real estate business and we take our foot off the pedal and we stop doing those things. And these are really things that we should time block in our everyday schedule. If you don't have time to do it, then definitely hire a virtual assistant, somebody that can consistently post for you. And really follow the 80-20 rule, where 80% of it is going to be your face, where people can like, know, and trust you. You can build that relationship utilizing social media, because we all know that people work with agents that they like, know, and trust. And so you can't really build that trust in that relationship if most of your content is quotes or other photos or sharing other things. You need to make sure that 80% of it is you and your face, whether it's a picture or video. I know some of you out there don't like doing video. Guys, we have to get over that. It's one of the things that is absolutely critical in social media, and that's one of the best ways to connect with your audience. Number six, add value. So find out who your ideal client is, whether you work with first time home buyers or investors, or you work with commercial. It doesn't matter what it is. Define who your ideal client is, and then what superpower, how do you add value to those clients? So you don't want to just post, and by the way, agents do this all the time, how many homes you've sold, etc. To be honest, a lot of people don't care. They want to see how you get results and how you're going to add value to them. So when we come from a place of contribution and value, then you're going to connect with your audience much more. Number 7 is be authentic. And as I mentioned earlier, three-dimensional. We don't want to be fake through social media. We really want to be our true and authentic selves. And again, that's where people are going to like, know, and trust you. So don't be afraid to show all the different sides of you in your life, and your family, and your business, your personal goals, and really have some social accountability, if you will. Share some of your goals and ask for people to help hold you accountable. Number 8 is direct message new connections. So on Facebook, we can have up to 5,000 friends. You can have thousands of followers on Instagram. But more than that, more than just the numbers, we want to look at quality over quantity. So make sure you're having meaningful conversations with the people that you're connecting with through social media. So every time somebody adds you on Facebook or follows you on Instagram or connects with you on LinkedIn, make sure that you're sending a direct message and you're seeing how you can help one another in each other's businesses and get to know each other. Number 9 is interact with your followers or your friends. So again, a lot of these numbers that people have thousands of followers or 5,000 friends on Facebook, that sounds great. But to be honest with you, it means nothing if you're not consistently and interacting with your friends and your followers. So interact with them, put them on, go to their page, engage with them. It doesn't always have to be about business. But the true successful agents understand that they're in real estate, but they're really a marketer. And we all know that if we own the mind share, then we own the market share. So if you can really stay top of mind through social media, that's when they're going to think of you first whenever they have a house to buy or sell, or even refer you to somebody else. And then last but not least, number 10 is to add ad spend to your budget. So as you start increasing your sales, a lot of people go off the 10% rule of giving 10% back into their advertising, so 10% of your gross commissions going back into your advertising budget, whatever that is. But think about real estate as a business. Just as if you were going to open a store at the mall, you would need to buy inventory. And real estate is no different, that you've got to reinvest back into your business. And that may be to adding an advertising budget. So, having a referral based business is great. But at the end of the day, if you want to really excel past your sphere, your family, your friends, your referrals, your past clients, then you're going to have to advertise. So add a bit of a budget and be able to accelerate then. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this content, go ahead and subscribe, click the link below, like, comment. And if you want to just strategize, go ahead and schedule a free 15-minute strategy session with me personally through the link below.